version 7. Here we got is a Casablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan that it was about to be scrapped, but it was rebuilt by me completely today. I don't know if you can tell, it was rebuilt because it's now a single speed. Look at that. Oh, sorry about that. Guys, see, I can put a reverse switch on top of the motor itself. I actually did all this work by myself just by using, just by watching on a how-to video how to convert these fans to single speed, which I did watch it and it was the first time for me doing conversion myself. And this fan was dated from, I don't know if you can tell by the serial number what that is. It's made in February 14th, 1991, and was the 363rd fan made that day. The B stands for February, and then A stands for like 1991, which is kind of weird. I'm just trying to tell you that this fan was, and here's the blades for it. Pretty much came all complete. I cleaned them up earlier. It was pretty disgusting, but not as disgusting as the quick connect was more. Pretty much it came with all its comparts, but I don't know if you can tell, but the hamster canopy and the mounting bracket's missing. Has all its screws pretty much, except the hatch that comes with it. It came with the downrod itself, which was really helpful. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video of this.